Miss Watts has been teaching at Sharpstown for about 2 years now. She teaches 8th grade U.S. history. She also started teaching 9th grade AP Human Geography last year, which she says was a new challenge for her. A challenge she conquered thanks to the support she says she got from the school and district.
Mr. Brom is actually the AP coordinator, him and Miss Bissell, and so they gave me all the support that I needed. They sent me to different schools to watch other teachers teach that subject so I can observe. They also sent me to different PLCs. They sent me to different professional development meetings and stuff so I can communicate with other teachers. They provided me different resources. The district also provides AP Human Geography resources as well.
And that support is also helping her in her current role, that is, as a teacher leader. When I was talking to your principal via email, she said you're a teacher leader?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Teacher leader is you're the leader, teacher leader on campus. So
you run everything.
Yeah,
there you go.
Not necessarily run everything, but so we also have our PLCs, our GLCs, and so my goal in that is to make sure that we're on task, to make sure we find those misconceptions in our lessons, but also be the person that other teachers can reach out to, and they come and say, hey, Ms. Watts, I need to observe, I need to work on my engagement strategies. What are some things that I can do? I'm always hands-on. I'm involving myself in different activities that we have. I'm always helping our students. I'm staying after school. I'm coming on the weekends, but showing up as a leader and also being authentic.